watch enthusiasts and watch collectors, welcome back to my channel, Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. And today, I'm at the booth of a brand which needs absolutely no introduction. It is none other than Vacheron Constantin. And what I have discovered at Watches and Wonders 25, this brand of course is celebrating this year 270 years of its existence, but what I have discovered is a piece which is going to blow your mind. Vacheron Constantin has introduced a wristwatch with maximum complications in the history of watchmaking. It has 41 complications and believe me, it's a wristwatch. Let's go and check that out. Now, 41 complications, it's like unheard of. On your wrist, it has a perpetual calendar, it has a tourbillon, it is called the
Le Cabinetier Solaria Ultra Grand Complication.
And that's the watch, that's the piece that I'm talking about. You know, the Solaria is all about the sun. And well, we all know that the history of watchmaking, how time began. Time began when humankind actually started cultivating their crops and getting into agriculture and stop hunting and actually started farming. And that is when they saw the movement in the sky of the stars and the day and night, which is sun moving as well.
And rightfully, they call this piece as Le Cabinetier Solaria Ultra Grand Complication.
Come on, let's go and check what these 41 complications are all about. So as I mentioned to you that this is the most complicated wristwatch in the history of watchmaking. Number of complications, earlier I mentioned about the tourbillon and the perpetual calendar. And you can see that there is indication of seasons, there is position of the sun, sunrise time in a city of reference. Then again you have equation of time, you have duration of the day in the city reference. The front is as complicated as the back of the watch. Now this is where you will see the power reserve, you will see the celestial objects here. So it has tourbillon that I mentioned to you all earlier, and there is chiming. There is Westminster minute repeater and there is Westminster carillon chime. It is in white gold. Only one single piece so far, and it took 8 years for a watchmaker to put this watch together. I am sure you too are as awestruck as I am. After watching this particular piece, I hope you like the review of this piece, but after watching this piece, I am completely in awe.